Bonjour! Today I'll show you how to make this Grainy Textured 3D letter in Procreate. On this tutorial, you will learn how to easily make this letter in 3D and how to add this grainy texture to create gradients and volume to your artwork. All the resources I'm going to use, like this color palette and this outline lettering, are available for free by clicking on the link right below this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the following canvas settings. First, we are going to set the background color. Tap the color button, then drop this red color from your color palette onto your canvas. Now select this orange color. Go to your brush library, airbrushing brush set, and select the soft brush. Then use your soft brush on the top right part of your canvas. Now let's add the outline letter to create the 3D effect. You can use my drawing or you can use any font you like. First, drop this light blue color from the color palette. Duplicate your layer. Tap the color button and select this blue color. Drop it on the outline. Then drop it inside your letter and hold your Apple Pencil on your screen. Then increase the color drop threshold to make sure you fill the letter. Select your layer and put it underneath. Then duplicate it and select the bottom one. Tap the color button, select this dark blue color and drop it on your letter. Tap the transformation tool, put magnetics on, then move your letter to the bottom right. Now go to your brush library, calligraphy, and select the monoline brush. Then connect the edges between the two letters. Now let's create the extrusion inside the 3D letter. Duplicate this layer and select the bottom one. Put the black color for now. Tap the transformation tool icon and move it also to the bottom right. Tap and hold the eraser icon to also use the monoline brush as an eraser. Then erase everything that is outside this light blue outline. Pick the dark blue color from earlier, and by using the same process, connect the edges with your monoline brush. Now let's create the grainy texture to create gradients inside your letter. first we will add highlights. Tap the color button and select this color. Create a new layer above this one and set it as a clipping mask. Tap the letter N next to your layer, then set it to add blend mode. Go to your brush library, Materials, and select the Noise brush. We are going to say that the light comes from the top right, so use your brush according to this angle. You can use the selection tool to isolate a portion of your layer. Now let's repeat the same process for the other layers. Create a new layer on top of this one, set it as a clipping mask, tap the letter N next to your layer, then put it in Add Blend Mode. Then use your brush on these parts. And do the same for the other layers. Now let's add some shadows. Select this color. Create a new layer on top of this one. Set it as a clipping mask. Tap the letter N next to your layer. Then put it in Multiply Blend mode. Then use your brush on the opposite parts of your highlights. And repeat the same process for the other layers. Now let's create the drop shadow on your canvas. Hide your background layer. Create a new layer. Go to the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, and then Paste. Bring back your background layer. Then go to the Adjustments menu, tap on Hue, Saturation and Brightness, and set the brightness to none. Move the new layer over your background. Tap the Transformation tool icon and move your layer to the bottom left. Pick the black color. Take the monoline brush and connect the edges. Go to your layers panel, tap on your layer with 2 fingers and drag to the left to decrease the opacity. Next, go to the Adjustments menu and tap on Perspective Blur. Put the positional icon in the upper right corner and increase the perspective blur by sliding to the right. For the finishing touches, create a new layer over your background. Tap on your layer and put it in Add Blend mode. Tap the color button and select this yellow color. Then draw a circle above your letter with the noise brush. Then use the eraser to remove the part you don't want at the bottom of your letter. Now, create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 90%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 3%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise, and slide to adjust to 8%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that if you want to get weekly tutorials, lettering brushes, and color palettes directly to your inbox for free, you can join my newsletter thanks to the link available in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!